fuck? Who the fuck can deal with this shit now? I can't. I just can't. Oh. Oh. And it's just too much. Who in the fuck gonna deal with this? You get, have to sleep in separate rooms. I'm ready to go right now. Seriously. This grinding of the teeth thing, I mean, this is a serious problem. Yuck. What is he doing? Oh. Oh. Stop that shit. God. Fuck this.